Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Crystal and thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining me today to do an after dark kitchen clean with me. Now as you can see, there is a lot that needs to be put away and cleaned up, and I will be focusing a lot on my cabinets in this video. My cabinets, as you can see, are white, which means that any little bit of dirt that collects on there shows quite easily. So I am definitely going to be doing a really good wipe down of all of my cabinets, top and bottom, as well as the corners and the inside areas of my cabinets. Now it is 8:53 right now, so hopefully I'll be finished in about an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and start off this video by clearing off the countertops and putting things back where they belong. So I recently purchased some training toothpaste for Jacob, and with the training toothpaste I got several toothbrushes in the box. They are all the same Winnie the Pooh characters. They all have Tigger on them. It's just some brushes are blue, and as you can see right here, well, it's more of a purplish color. Some are purple and then some are yellow, but these are for 0 to 2 years. So Jacob will be good with toothbrushes until he is 10, I guess. And this is a toothpaste that we are going to be trying with him. It is the Crest Baby Training Toothpaste. It says that it is safe if swallowed, but of course I use the teeniest amount with him, and it does have a mild strawberry flavor. So Jacob did have a bath tonight before he went to sleep, so I'm going to go ahead and put all of his soaps and his bath toys away. Now I will be leaving his blooming bath flower mat in the sink because it is still very wet and I don't want that to drip onto the laundry room floor. So I'm just going to leave that there while I clean up and put all the dishes away. And as always, I just want to go ahead and say thank you so much for clicking on my video and choosing to clean with me today. There are so many cleaning videos out there, and the fact that you picked my video to watch really means a lot to me. And if you guys are not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so that you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video. I try and upload a new video at least twice a week. And if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and watching my videos every week. It truly means the world to me. So I have a couple of toys that I need to go ahead and put away, and as you can see, this trumpet rattle is on a passy clip because Jacob is at that point now where he loves to throw everything on the floor. The second I pick it up and hand it to him, he throws it right back down, and we end up in a vicious cycle. So I finally figured out how to end that with the trusty passy clip. So now we are on to cleaning my sink, and like I said earlier, I'm going to be keeping Jacob's bath mat in the sink so it can dry overnight, and I'll take care of that half of the sink in the morning. So whenever I'm cleaning the kitchen, I'd like to have a YouTube video on in the background for me to watch, and today's video is a Hobby Lobby fall decor shop with me. Now it's time for me to clean the countertops as well as the cabinets, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my Method All-Purpose Cleaner, and as you guys can see, I definitely need to buy a new bottle. I am almost all out. And now for what I really wanted to focus on in this video, cleaning my cabinet doors. Now I know on camera the cabinets look really clean, but if you guys were to look up close in the little groove areas, especially around the handles, they definitely needed a good wipe down. So I wanted to point out that I did change the hand towel that I am using to clean these cabinets. I was using a gray one for the majority of the cabinets by the sink, and now I've switched over to a new clean white one to continue cleaning over here. I just didn't want you guys to think that I was using the same hand towel across my entire kitchen. Another thing in my kitchen that I really need to focus on cleaning more is my husband's coffee machine. I don't drink coffee, so I never use this thing, and so I guess that's why I don't really pay attention to it very often, but I definitely need to start giving it a good wipe down at least every couple of days. One of the things that I want to do behind this baker's rack is do something with the window. I originally wanted to put some curtains up, but I think with the way it looks right now, curtains will not be a good fix. So what I really want to do is look for a nice decorative film to put over this window. Now that I am done wiping down the countertops and the cabinets, I'm going to go ahead and take out the trash and replace it with a new bag. And there's one more area behind the trash can that I need to wipe down. As you guys can see right here, I have a black scuff on the wall. Every time I open up the trash can lid, it always bumps and scrapes along the white wall. I try and keep the trash can about an inch or so off, but it always moves back and makes that mark. So the last thing I need to do is vacuum the kitchen floor. Now right now I am just going to go ahead and vacuum over the floor mats, but later on I do go back and move them and vacuum underneath. I honestly do not move these floor mats a lot to clean underneath them, but that's something that I really do need to do a lot more often. When I moved this mat in front of the stove, there was so much hair under there. I could have made like a small little puppy with it. Now, luckily, the mat that was underneath or in front of the sink did not have nearly as much, but still, this is something that I do need to start doing a couple times a week, just moving the mats and making sure I'm getting underneath those. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys made it all the way until the end, and I hope this video gave you guys a lot of good cleaning motivation. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you guys will be notified every time I upload a new video, which is at least twice a week. And if you guys are returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos every week. It truly means the world to me. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys again in a couple of days in a new video. Bye!